It's your boy Skillz. First of all, when I pull up in the Magba, when I see some fucky guys over Araga, when I bust in on the street, then I love my style. It's your boy Skillz pulling on when I pulling on your style. Just like Tupac and Biggie, if wanna fuck with me, I will never be scared, just not rub with me. What I fucking up betray when you talk about me. If you see me on the beat, you not scared over me. I'm not pushing or bullshit when I talk about my style. Only living on my style when I love the my style. When I pulling on my bad guys, only on my bad guy. I was over my phone, nobody put them on a bright guy. Nobody advised me when I lost in my dad. 2019, no what corruption, I look into my eye. So Yoruba people play over with when I shock up every day and night. I pulling on the street with some bad drugs. I pulling on all these bad niggas never play with me. When I pulling on my Magba, some niggas fuck with me. I can't betray you when I come on a plane. Every day and I pulling on my cruise with a day. It's a easy force, you know what it needs, of West Skillz. I'm pulling on the streets of cruise every day, balling on my side, don't cry. It's gonna know it's not fucking with. Right, listen. When I pulling on my style, no more look at me. When I suffer on my eyes, no more look.